Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear students, today is our third lecture of Unit 1, The Hummingbird Who Chewed Bubblegum, Broadway Book 4. Okay boys, today this is our introduction about today's class. First, we will introduce the chapter, the introduction of chapter, review of previous class, reading of paragraph from Look What, Tell with Others, words meanings, word sentences, learn to read one, and in the end there is homework for you. So boys, before going to teach you something, I will review the previous class. Those who were absent yesterday or the chapter or the day when we read the chapter, they should concentrate and listen carefully. In the previous lesson, we read that the little hummingbird requested the girl to give her some bubble gum. The girl was surprised to hear this, but she was happy to share the bubble gum with her friend. The next day, the little hummingbird came again and asked for bubble gum. The little hummingbird thanked her and flew away. 2 days later, when the girl was playing, suddenly she heard a voice calling out her name. It happened 2 times. The girl recognized the voice of hummingbird and saw the little hummingbird was sitting on red, orange and blue nest made of the bubble gum. Okay boys, now open your books, page number 13. I am going to read the chapter, so listen carefully. Page number 13, Broadway Book 4. Hurry up boys. Okay. Boys, you will have to put your fingers on the line where I read. I am going to start. Listen carefully. Look, what you helped me build, said the little hummingbird. What do you mean? I asked. Well, there weren't any twigs or straw left after the storm. I needed something to build a nest where I could lay my eggs. Your bubblegum helped me to build this nest. Thank you very much, said the little hummingbird. I climbed up the oak tree and sure enough, there were 2 little eggs, the size of jelly beans, lying in the nest made of bubblegum. I told myself, I am so happy I shared my bubblegum with the hummingbird. She has been able to build her nest because of it. So, do remember to share your things with others. Okay boys, this is for your classwork. Pencil and notebooks must be on your table. There are some words with meanings. Build. Build means to construct or to create. Nest. It is a structure of place made by a bird laying eggs and sheltering its young. Climb. Act of going up by using the feet and sometimes the hands. Climb. Okay boys, the pronunciation of this word is climb, not climb. B is silent here. We will not pronounce B, although it is written. Sure. It has 3 meanings here. Have no doubt, or certain, or firm. Enough, sufficient. Enough means sufficient. Jelly, soft and sweet food product made from fruit, juice and sugar. Bean, it is a small edible seed of the bean plant, like a kidney shaped. Myself. This is used by a speaker to refer to himself or herself as the object of a verb. Able. It has several meanings. Having a power or skill. Second one is opportunity to do something, and capable as well as talented. Again, this is for your classwork. There are some words with the sentences I made. Enough. She has enough tolerance. She has enough tolerance to handle the situation. Myself. It is my habit to do my work myself. Able. And the sentence of able is, he was able to read French at the age of 7. Okay, there is a question for you as classwork. This question is taken from the book, Where Did the Hummingbird Usually Sit? Okay, the question is, where did the hummingbird usually sit? You have to answer after thinking. Okay, and the answer is, the hummingbird usually sit on the windowsill. Okay, this is the answer. And now look ahead. This is for homework. There are 4 words. You have to make your own sentences by using these words: build, nest, climb, and show. Okay, see you next. This is also homework. Learn to read 1 on page number 14. There are 2 questions. You have to answer the questions, and you will also write the questions and answers in your copies. But first you will answer. Question number 5. What did the bird do with the bubble gum? Okay, what did the bird do with the bubble gum? Did the bird chew, swallow, eat, or throw the bubble gum? Question number 6. When the girl climbed up the tree, what did she see in the nest? There are 3 options. One of them is right. You have to put the check on the right option. Okay, option A, 2 eggs. Option B, 2 little birds. Option C, red, orange, and blue bubble gum. Okay, boys, the homework you will write in your copies or notebooks. Okay, in neat and clean writing. Now our class has been finished. Allah Hafiz. Thank you. See you in the next class. Inshallah. Jazakallah.